Surviveware duct tape is the ultimate fix-it tool for the wild. Torn gear? Punctured boat? It patches almost anything, instantly. Need a quick water container? Shape one from this miracle tape with a bit of creativity. Even blisters don't stand a chance, just apply directly to your skin for protection on the go. Despite its rugged durability, it tears effortlessly by hand. No knife needed. Weighing just 142 grams, it's lighter than most multi-tools, yet tougher than your average tape. And at only $10 a roll, it's budget-friendly survival gear you'll actually use. Whether you're hiking, camping, or improvising in a pinch, Surviveware duct tape is the lightweight powerhouse that always sticks with you. Literally. MSR's Explore Series snowshoes redefine durability and comfort. Handmade with top-tier craftsmanship, the Explore Evo can endure years of intense use without losing performance. Need speed and ease? The Explore Revo features EVA pads and a special ratchet system that lets you slip your foot in and out faster. How convenient is that? Plus, ergonomic heel lifts reduce fatigue during uphill climbs, making tough terrain feel easier. For those who prioritize lightweight gear, the Explore Lightning weighs just 1,780 grams. Available in both men's and women's sizes, these snowshoes adapt to your needs. With the Revo priced at just $39, premium quality meets unbeatable value. Ready to tackle snow like a pro. The Sabre Frontierman Bear Spray is a must-have for any outdoor adventurer, beginner or expert. Engineered to repel bears instantly, it doesn't just target, it creates a powerful, burning mist barrier that stops threats in their tracks. With a 10.5-meter range and spraying 84% faster than rival brands, you get critical seconds when it matters most. Powered by capsaicinoids, the same fiery compounds in hot peppers, it's fiercely effective. And thanks to its glow-in-the-dark safety label, it's easy to grab and use even in pitch-black conditions. Whether you're hiking, camping, or deep in the wilderness, this spray is your first line of defense. Why take chances when protection like this is just a can away? Kombuis is a complete mini kitchen that fits right in your backpack. Weighing just 1 kilogram, it includes a super efficient wood-burning rocket stove, a pot and a frying pan that doubles as a lid. Genius. Burn even damp twigs with ease thanks to the smart stove design. No fuel? No problem. Setup is foolproof, with no fragile parts to break in the wild. The pot and pan are cleverly crafted for easy draining and rock-solid stability while cooking. Whether you're deep in the forest or high in the mountains, Kombuis lets you cook like a pro, without the bulk or hassle of traditional gear. For just $85, it's freedom, flavor, and function, all in one ultra-portable kit. Quantum Weave is a mobile wind generator that keeps your devices charged, even miles from civilization. Compact and easy to set up, it harnesses the wind to store up to 10,000 milliamp-hours of power via a 5-volt 2-amp USB-C port. Whether you're enjoying a calm day at camp or stuck in an emergency, it's ready to fuel your phone, GPS, or camera with clean, renewable energy. Built from nylon, fiberglass, and 3D printed parts, it's lightweight yet durable for real-world adventures. Want to save even more? Get the DIY instructions for just $1.50, or grab the full unit, battery not included, for only $36. Who says going off-grid means going powerless? The Steambow AR6 Stinger 2 Compact is a game-changing pistol crossbow built for speed, accuracy, and customization. Weighing just 800 grams and only 55.6 centimeters long, it's incredibly lightweight and portable. With a 6-bolt magazine and advanced cocking mechanism, it unleashes all 6 bolts in just over 10 seconds. Yes, rapid fire in crossbow form. Hit targets confidently at 23 meters with surprising precision. Love to customize? Multiple Picatinny rails, a folding cheek rest, and tactical foregrip on the tactical version make upgrades a thrill. Even the base model delivers serious fun and performance for just $198. Compact, tactical, and powerful. How cool is that? The Valhalla X-Frame Bivy Shelter is built for serious adventurers who need maximum protection in minimal space. Weighing just 1.4 kilograms, this ultra-compact shelter is crafted from a 3-layer fabric that's 100% waterproof, ready to withstand harsh wind and rain. More than just a tent, it's a stealthy cocoon with a camo pattern perfect for covert observation or bivouac missions. The 2.2-meter length fits most users comfortably, and the built-in mosquito net keeps bugs at bay. Its unique X-frame head design boosts airflow and slashes condensation. No more waking up in a puddle. Whether you're stalking through rugged terrain or camping under the radar, the Valhalla X-frame delivers unstoppable shelter performance. The Eat Mag set isn't just a fork, spoon, and knife, it's a gourmet adventurer's dream toolkit. This clever trio raised over $272,000 on Kickstarter for good reason. Peel potatoes, tighten screws, open cans, done, and done. The knife transforms into a cutter, the whole set converts into cooking tongs, and yes, it includes a bottle opener too. Whether you're deep in the wild or cooking at camp, the Eat Mag handles it all with magnetic ease and precision. Lightweight, compact, and ultra-functional, this $66 set proves that adventure dining can be both smart and stylish. Why pack more when you can do more with less? The Icaros Parachute Rocket Red is a life-saving signal device that launches 300 meters into the air and burns for 40 seconds with an ultra-bright red flare, visible up to 15 kilometers away at night. Designed for emergencies in remote areas, it's a must-have for hikers, survivalists, and offshore adventurers. Weighing just 420 grams, it fits easily into your pack and can even be activated one-handed, even underwater. Its reliability is legendary, so effective since 1959 that it's still in active use and widely imitated today. For $248, you're not just buying a rocket, you're investing in a proven, compact survival tool that could be the difference between rescue and disaster. The Annihilate FA3 is no ordinary shovel. It's a survival beast. Built to endure brutal 60°C cold and support up to 900 kilograms, this 1.4 kilograms powerhouse hides over 20 integrated tools. From an axe, harpoon, and nail puller to a cutter and more, it's like carrying an entire toolbox in one. The patented shovel head locks into 7 different positions, adapting to any task you throw at it. Whether you're digging, chopping, or defending, the FA3 does it all with military-grade confidence. And yes, it comes with a lifetime warranty. At $210, it's the one tool even Rambo wouldn't leave behind. Waterlight is a revolutionary lamp that runs on seawater. Yes, seawater. Just add half a liter and it provides continuous light for up to 45 days. Perfect for off-grid adventures, emergencies, or coastal living, this eco-friendly innovation doubles as a power source to charge your gadgets. With a lifespan of 5,600 hours, Waterlight is built for the long haul, offering unmatched durability and reliability. No batteries, no solar panels, just the power of salt water in your hands. Whether you're sailing, camping, or facing a blackout, this $60 marvel delivers sustainable light and energy when you need it most. Why carry fuel or hunt for outlets when nature can light your way? The Nightstorm X1 lets you see in total darkness, up to 1.2 kilometers away. Whether you're exploring the wild or scouting the night, these powerful binoculars deliver with an advanced night vision system and 4K video recording. Want to see beneath the surface? Look into water up to 100 meters deep. With an 18-hour battery life and a Sony military-grade CMOS sensor, it performs brilliantly day or night. Used in telescopes, this sensor captures stunning detail in any light. Plus, the IP65 rating means it's tough, resistant to water and dust. All this for $278. Night vision just went pro level. Are you ready to see the unseen? The OGT Survival Axe is a compact powerhouse built for serious versatility. At just 28 centimeters long and 680 grams, it's lightweight enough to clip onto a backpack, yet tough enough for any challenge. Priced at only $61, it's accessible to both beginners and hardcore survivalists. This isn't just an axe, it's a multi-tool wonder. a 15-centimeter hidden saw blade, wrench, cutter, glass breaker, hammer, nail claw, pry bar, and even a bottle opener, all in one. Whether you're in the wild or facing an emergency, the OGT packs essential tools into a single rugged design. Survival just got smarter and way more compact. The SparkX Titanium isn't just a fire starter, it's an 85-gram survival essential. Shorter than a pen, yet packed with power, it features a replaceable ferro rod, water resistance, and a rugged non-slip titanium body. But wait, there's more. It also includes a mini knife, glass breaker, pry bar, and a waterproof storage capsule, perfect for meds or matches. Whether you're stranded or just prepping for the wild, SparkX ensures you're never without heat or help. At just $57, it's compact, tough, and unbelievably versatile. Why carry 5 tools when one does it all? Loki Nav is more than a compass. It's a survival essential. This compact powerhouse combines an oil-filled compass, 12-eyes magnifier, mirror, and protective cap into one sleek gadget. Need to find your way and light a fire? Use the cap to prep kindling and the mirror to signal for help. Weighing just 30 grams in aluminum and 48 grams in titanium, it's ultralight yet tough, perfect for your backpack or as a neck pendant. Whether you're navigating rugged terrain or stranded in the wild, Loki Nav offers precision, versatility, and peace of mind in one palm-sized tool. Starting at just $39, it's a must-have for hikers, campers, and survivalists who need reliable gear that does more than just point north. The Jetboil Flash is a powerhouse burner built for speed, safety, and satisfaction. Weighing just 371 grams, it boils half a liter of water in only 100 seconds. Perfect for quick meals or emergency brews. It comes with a 1-liter container and even includes a French press accessory. Yes, fresh coffee in the wild. Upgraded for easier, safer use, it's ideal for solo backpackers or caffeine-fueled explorers. The system's sleek design packs neatly and it performs reliably in varied conditions. At $145 gas sold separately, it's an investment in warmth, convenience, and survival. Because who says the wilderness can't come with a shot of espresso joy?